Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share how we can keep our aloe vera to make it stay longer, and we're going to freeze it, and you guys going to see how we're going to do it. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel. And to all our subscribers, I want to say thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please don't forget to visit our online store. I'm going to have the link down on the information box. And this is our aloe vera that we're going to use. This is it right here. And you can get aloe vera leaf in any food store in your neighborhood. Everybody almost sell it. And these are the few of our products. Please don't forget to click the link. It will take you there. These are the few of our hand sanitizer. This is a unisex face mask. It's really comfortable. I mean, you can wear it 24/7. And this is our Ankara and face mask set. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So click the link. It will take you to our store. And like always, I already clean my working area, sanitize it. And I'm showing us here, these are the very sharp edges. Please, if you have a small kids in the house or anybody for that matter, please be safe. Our container, we're going to need a knife to cut, and we're going to need blender. And I'm going to add tea. You don't have to chamomile. I'm going to use organic. Everything is organic. Green tea, moringa, and chamomile. And I'm going to make tea. This is what I'm doing right here. I wanted to make sure by the time I finish it, it will cool down to mix it together. This you don't have to do it. I just have everything in the house, and I always do it anyway. I use a green tea. We're going to start. I'm going to cut the head off and the tail. And then the next step, I'm going to take the sharp edges out. Just like that. Those edges are very, very sharp. Please be careful when you are cutting it. And after that, I'm going to cut it there like that. I don't know that my camera is kind of upside down. But what I'm doing right here, I'm just taking the flesh out. And sometimes the aloe vera is really slimy. You might think it's spoiled. No, it is good. And this you can eat. Please, if you are on any medication, I'm not prescribed anything for you. This is what I do. So I eat it. I use it for my skin. I mean, if you can eat it, why not? You can put it on your skin. It's really good. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to take the flesh out. And before you start on anything, even what we're doing now, test a little bit on a patch of your skin just to make sure. So what I'm doing right here, I'm just going to, when I take off the flesh, and I'm just going to cut it a little bit more to make it easier for us to blend. And you see that it's really slimy. And I'm just going to blend it just like that. I put it in a container, and I just blend it. Just like that. It's not going to take more than about 30 seconds to blend. I've already cut it down little. Now here you are done. You just put it in your ice tray and put it in a freezer. But because I'm going to add the tea on it, you don't have to add the tea. You don't have to, but I do. So if you don't have the tea, don't worry. And if you have the tea, please make sure it's organic, okay? So I just put like a 1/3 of a cup into it, and I mean, this you can even drink it too. I'm not prescribed this for you that you should drink. Please, 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 especially if you're medicine, if you're medication. So we're done, and I'm going to put it in an ice tray, just like that. And this is kind of I'm kind of short of the aloe vera and the tea that I make. So what I did is that at the end, I just add more tea to it. I mean, this is, it's not going to do anything. So I just add the tea to it. And this you can use when the kids are playing in the backyard, in the store, school, they have a scratch or itching eyes. You can just put it there. Very soothing. And so because I don't want to be carrying my aloe vera tray back and forth to the bathroom, I always have a little container like that. I put 2 in it. And these are the few ways that you can, that I use. It's really good to soothing your eye bag, your everything. If you have itching dry eyes, it's really really good. So to make sure that you cleanse your face and everything, don't just put it. Make sure your face, my face is cleansed already, and I put it under the eyes for my baggy eyes. So after that, I just go just follow up with my night routine, aurolic acid. I put it on. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. And if you apply anything, make sure you apply to your neck. Now my anti-aging Fraxen Tamano. Oh, you guys can see that I really, oh my god, this is soothing. I love my Fraxen. Oh gosh, you guys doesn't understand. So I have a face massage every day, twice a day. Yes, morning and evening. And these are the rest of our stuff. Please subscribe, and I want to say thank you. See you guys on the next video. Love